Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So in this video, we'll teach you how to subscribe to channels. This will let you see more content from those channels you like. Before you do anything, make sure you're signed into YouTube, whether it's on your computer or mobile device. Go to any video of the channel you want to subscribe to. Click subscribe. That's it.
Welcome back, YouTubers. We're gonna be doing FreeCAD. We're gonna trace an image, so let's get to it. So here we are. We're gonna trace this image over here, so let's start from scratch. Okay, I'm gonna say File, New, and then give it a name. So it's called say your own name. Now we'll say File, Save As. Here. Pittsburgh. Okay, so now you're gonna create a part. You put a part, a body, and sketch, XY plane. Okay, so you've done that part. Now you're gonna go here to the workbenches. You're gonna select image, and then gonna open convert your image. Okay, now you have your image. So right, so we got that one. So now here you're gonna click this one, create a planar image in the 3D space. So click that, select that image, XY plane, that's the one that we're working on, and that's it. Now here we go. If it's in the background, you click this button here, and now you can start tracing. So let's trace it. Use a polyline and let's pat it. Okay. And that's it. That's how you trace an image in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.